Okay, I'm here now at the USA Cylinder booth. I've got the original founder of California Cylinder, Curtis Brown. One of the things that I admire most about this company, family business. It's just like the rest of the GAWDA companies here. They built it and they run it as a family. So first question for you, Curtis. Talk about how California Cylinder got started and why the transition to USA Cylinder.
Well, I was actually born in the welding supply industry. My dad sold special alloys to the shipyards, to Jet Propulsion Laboratory, to General Dynamics, to a lot of Boeing. And so I would go with him. I was 4 years old. I would go with him to the different locations. And then my brother started working for a welding supply at 18. And I said, Mark, I want to go and learn about, gases and how the retail end of it. I started going with him. Me and Mark started a store. We built it up. We sold it.
What was the name?
It was Brown's Welding Supply.
Yep, Brown's Welding Supply.
And so we turned around and I got into some cylinders, a lot of military stuff. And then I came back after my non-compete and I started 2 more stores, which was Brown's again. And then we turned around, I sold one of them to California Tool and Welding, the Craigs, and then I sold another one to another party. And then I signed a deal overseas to bring in cylinders. And so we went into the cylinder business. And from then on out, we just built it up. And our thing was service. We took care of everybody for years and honorable. If you didn't like something, we'd always take it back. And my daughters, of course, they were born in the industry. And so now we're in the middle of, we're passing the torch. And I retired. And so now it's my daughters and my son-in-laws.
All right, give us an inventory. Who we got over here?
So Brittany,
Okay.
Brittany, my middle daughter, Carrico, and then Jennifer, my youngest daughter, and then Adam, her husband, and Chris is Brittany's husband. So far they're doing great, and they're gonna expand, and I love it. But me, I'm ready just to pass the torch, relax, and
there you go. Well,
they can take it over.
Congratulations to you. That's an awesome thing to pass on to the family. So I'll move over to Brittany. Let's talk about the new facility and the new name in Tennessee. What spurred that?
Yeah, so with having a second location, California Cylinder has an amazing history to it. We didn't want to lose that, but we also wanted to branch out into another state. So with that, we are now USA Cylinder. We opened up our second location, which is our headquarters out of Columbia, Tennessee. We have 2 buildings there that combine to 20,000 square feet. We're fully operational now, and we're just really excited.
Awesome. And what is your role, you and Jennifer? What is your role with the new company, USA Cylinder?
So we bought California Cylinder and made it into USA Cylinder, but it's still family. We're just trying to keep that torch going and make everybody proud.
Nice. And with the new facility, are there any new offerings that you'll be able to service GAWDA members with?
Yes, so actually in our Columbia, Tennessee location, we do ultrasonic testing.
Nice.
So we can get all of your cylinders back into date.
Awesome. And anything else that you guys would like to say while we're all together here at the GAWDA SMC?
I'm so proud that my children are taking over.
That's good.
It's touching.
Awesome.
I love it.
Yeah, proud of you guys. I love the story. I love how you guys got started, and I love to see you guys carry it on, and hope to continue to see you guys and Ken here at the GAWDA shows year after year. So we really appreciate what you guys do for us here at GAWDA Media and for GAWDA as an industry. So thank you, and see you next time.
Thank you.